Friend, welcome back to Swift tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce structure like that. We'll create our own struct. Okay. Before that, I want to save some screen space by making this guy a single line. Let's see how much space I can get by putting all the cases in a single line. Command B to make sure it still compiles. Yeah, Command B means build. Okay, and I think we can use that. Yeah. Separated by a comma to list all the cases, or even that. Can we do that? Enum Command B still compiles. It still compiles, and we don't need this after we demonstrate that. So two cases like that. Nice, two lines. Right now it's very short. Command B. Yeah, it still compiles. We use the two enum in our struct. Okay, now let's create our struct. What struct do we want? A chess piece. Okay, chess piece. So structure is similar to class, but there's a big difference. Struct is a value type. It means when we assign a value type to another one, right, we make a copy of that. Reference type, like an object or instance of a class, this doesn't happen. There's no copying. It's like two pointers pointing to the same object. Okay, but that's not the case in struct. We make a brand new copy of the original one. We'll go to the detail about the value type later. So in this video, we only care about the basic structure, basic components of the struct. Okay, so to specify a chess piece, we need the information of like which column and which row, right, of the location, the piece location. So we can have something like that. Row int and column int, and the chess piece, we know we want to know which player, right, it belongs to. So player, the data type, yes, we can use chess player, right, chess player, and enum we created previously, and chessman, yeah, chessman, which chessman, now same, we can use that. Anything else? So location, which player, chessman. I think that's it, right? That's good enough to represent a chess piece. So let's create a chess piece here. That, say, a pawn. No, I like knight. The data type is, so how do we create a an instance of this struct, right? We call its constructor, something like that. Chessman, no, chess piece. You see, when we type in the opening parenthesis, we get the autocomplete suggestion, enter. So we don't need to provide initializer, okay, like that init. We don't need initializer by default. Swift provide the default initializer for us, or yeah. So to create a night piece, right, we need to provide its location, row. Actually, okay, row, so 0, column 1, player, top is I think, let's check our popular layout of like chess board layout. Based on this, yeah, black is on the top, right? Okay. Oh, yeah. So actually those are the rows has a name like rank, and columns is called a file. So let's use the better terminology here. So row is rank, and the column is actually file. Now let's create one here. Still night. Let's create a chess piece for night. Oh, by the way, if we want to write, we don't need to type every letter in order. We can type some. For example, if we want to get chess piece, we can type C and P. No, chess. Okay, P. No. What? Sometimes we can jump to this one, or maybe capitalize P. No. Oh, chess player. Yes, it's player. Oh yeah, it's here. What about it? Try it again. Chess piece. Okay, it's this one. So we can like jump typing. Okay. Opening that. Yeah. Rank. Say. Let's use there. Okay. So wow. The black one here is 8. Okay. 8 rank. Rank 8, and the file B. Wow, B. Let's use so don't worry about this, like, so maybe we have our internal coordinates for those things. So let's just use the top left as a origin. So 0 0 for this guy. Okay. Rank 8, file 8. Okay, that is our 0 0. So rank 0. Now I think it's better to use our internal coordinate system. So this is still good to use row and column, yeah, to reduce the confusion, yeah. So that you see, the thinking process is important, right? No one can make the right decision every time in the beginning. Row, okay, so 0 and 1 black and chessman knight. Cool. So we create an instance of the chess piece. So let's print out this guy, knight. Let's see what happens. Chess piece. Wow. Okay. Row 0, column 1, player. This is interesting. Okay. That's the default description provided by Xcode. Okay. Yeah, knight. Cool. So this is an example of our on struct, right? In parallel here, together with this struct, our app. Thank you for watching. See you next time.